Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by using this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner. When we pick this one, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to the left side and pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings. Here, with the front camera, at the second place we have mirror front camera option, so this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.